morning, boys and girls, and welcome to today's phonics lesson. Today we're carrying on with the F digraph that you can see behind me, and we're thinking about the difference between F, V and F. Okay, we're going to play some games all about those three sounds. Before we get started, we're going to warm up with some blending, okay? So we're going to start. I've got some pictures here, and I'm going to see if you know what picture I'm hiding down here, and I'll show you afterwards. So the first word is a pan. Yeah, fantastic. It's a pan. Brilliant. Well done. The next one is a bed. Yeah, brilliant. It's a bed. Well done. The next one is a hat. Yeah, super. It's a hat. Well done. The next one rhymes. At. Amazing. Well done. Red. Well done. It's red. And van. Magic. A van. Okay, last bit. Touch your chin. Yeah, touch your chin. Touch your leg. Yeah, it's your leg. Well done. Touch your feet. Yeah, fantastic. Your feet. Touch your back. Yeah, well done. Touch your head. Your head. Well done. Super. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to remember, oh, that's the game we're playing in a minute, sneak preview, is we're going to remember all the sounds that we've learned so far. So we're going to quick write them. Okay, so can you write me, we're going to start with our phase 3 letters. Can you write me J? Well done. J, J. Make sure you pull towards the tree. Can you write me V? Well done. Side down, side up. Write me wah, wah, wah. Yeah, well done. Write me X. Side down, pan up. Down, pan off. Well done. Write me Y, Y. Yogurt and bananas. You quicker than me? Well done. Y, Y. Write me Z. Fantastic. Write me digraph Z. Oh, yeah, 2 dots now. And 1. Yeah, digraph Z is 2 Z. So sometimes a digraph might be the same letter twice, but these next few digraphs have different letters in. So can you write me the qu, qu, quick, queen, quiz? Yeah, Q, and he's married to the O. They're always together. Qu, qu. Can you write me Ch? Well done. Can you write me Sh? Brilliant, I like that one. Sh. Okay, and can you write me yesterday's sound? When my tongue's sticking out. 2 letters do I need? Brilliant, and then let's put our digraph lines in. Well done, boys and girls. So sometimes we might look at those sounds and do our flashcards and remember them. Sometimes we'll quick write. They're really good things to be able to do when you be able to write and read these sounds. Okay, well done. So today, like I said, we're going to carry on thinking about the th, because we need to be able to say it right to be able to write it and read it, because and all sound very similar. And one really makes your tongue tickle. Now for this next part, you're going to need a mirror. Now I've got a little tiny school mirror, but you've got bathroom mirrors or mirrors in the bedrooms, or might have a mirror downstairs. Just need to go and stand in front of a mirror. And we're going to make those sounds looking in the mirror. So first of all, make the sound. And I want you to stick your tongue right out. And make sure you can see your tongue coming out of your mouth. You might be able to see your teeth as well. Brilliant, well done. So have a little practice of that at home. Okay, welcome back. This time we're going to try the sound. Now we know the sound. We always talk about imagining that you're pushing together a balloon and all the air is coming out of the balloon. Okay, but look, we're going to have a look. When you do that sound, the shape your mouth makes in your mirror. Have a little practice of that at home. Okay. And the last one we're going to do is Vic's van, driving Vic's van round the village. Okay, so I want you to make that sound in your mirror. And that one really tickles, a bit like the harder sound. It really tickles in your mouth. Have a look at the different shape your mouth makes when you make the sound. Off you go. Well done, boys and girls. Now the best way to practice those sounds is to find the books on Bug Club that have those sounds in. So there's one book, I have a few books that have lots of sounds in. Some books have lots of sounds in, and some books have lots of sounds in. And I've set all those sounds yesterday. So you should be able to find them all on Bug Club. So by seeing the sounds and making the sounds and practicing the words, that will get easier and easier to tell them apart. We're going to do a clever quiz now, which you had a sneak preview of a minute ago. So I've got 6 pictures on my board. Some of them have the sound in, some of them have the sound in, and some of them have the sound in. So I wonder if you can work out which is which. Talk to the adult who's working with you today. Which do you think has which in? Okay, welcome back. Let's see if you were right. So this one was the trick one, so we'll start with the trick one. It was very hard thinking of nouns with this sound in. So we are going to do thin. They are thin chips. Thin. Okay, so digraph for this one. This is a moth. Digraph. This is a van. This is a fan, and a fish, and a vet. Okay, so here's the game. I'm going to describe one of these pictures to you. So I'm going to tell you all about it. You've got to guess which picture I'm talking about and write it down, and we will see if you are right. Are you ready? So the first picture I'm thinking of is something that swims in the sea, and they can be multicolored, and I know a very famous one called Nemo. Which picture do I mean? Write it down. Well done. So hopefully mums and dads, you pause the video then while your child wrote the word down. And the word is, yeah, the word is fish. Fish. So it's a I, and there's that sh sound. Oh, very wonky, Miss Nicholas. Fish, that we learnt last week. Okay, so you've got better kinetic letters than me, so you should have wrote that beautifully at home. The next one, listen to my description. So fish is out now, we've done fish. Okay, these can be thick or thin. I've given you the clue of the word. You get them at McDonald's. Okay, so we're not writing chip, we're writing the word to describe the size of the chips. Okay? Can you write that word, please? That one was a very tricky one. So the word I wanted you to write, and it's okay if you want to stop the video and write it again, the word is thin. Can you write me the word thin, please? Okay, so hopefully you have written that now. There's my diagraph. Thin. Thin, that was a tricky one. It's very hard to think of ones with sounds we've already done in. Okay, next one, ready? This is a person who helps animals when they're feeling very poorly. So does that word have a th, a v, or a f? Yeah, you're right. It's a vet. Sound out vet for me? Vet. Well done. Vet. So hopefully you wrote that word vet. Only got 3 left. Okay, this keeps you really cool on a hot day. Is it f or v? Yeah, you're right. It's a fan. Sound out fan. 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 I'm sure you have better handwriting than me today, boys and girls. Fan. Okay, 2 left to go. This word rhymes with fan, and you drive it and you can fill things in the back if you're going to deliver parcels, maybe. Okay, what have you got written down? You should have van. V, an, van. Wonderful. So the last one that I want you to write, we've got 1 left. It's like a butterfly, and you might see them in the butterfly house at Chester Zoo if you've ever been lucky enough to go. So can you write me moth? Look how my tongue is sticking out, boys and girls. Moth. Brilliant, well done. So you should have written down or moth. You might have had to stop the video and that's okay, but if you didn't and you were very quick with that, well done. Super. We've had a really good go now at f and v. But I would say keep practicing when you're speaking. You could even do the actions when you're saying words with those sounds in. But the best thing you can do, boys and girls, is get on that bug club and get reading those words and recognising those words with f and v in. That's a really good way to practice. Right, so let's write a sentence. Love a sentence. Oh, need a pen, not a rubber. So, last night I had my birthday tea and I was allowed to choose anything I wanted for my birthday tea, and I picked burger and chips. I know, not very healthy but very tasty and definitely allowed on your birthday. And I don't like thin chips, I like thick chips, okay? I like them when they're nice and thick. So my sentence today for you is, can a chip be thick? It's actually a question sentence. Can a chip be thick? So let's say it together. Can a chip be thick? 5 words. Can a chip be thick? Can, space, a, space, chip, space, be thick. Can a chip be thick? So the first word we're going to write is, and you might want to stop that and have a little bit more of a practice if you need to, is can. Can, space, a. Can a chip? Ch, ch, ch. Ch. Ip. Chip. No writing at this point, boys and girls, just looking and listening. Can a chip be? Tricky word be. But and just an eh. Can a chip be thick? What do you think? Is it th or v? Yeah, you're right. It's tongue sticking out. So we need a t. Huh? Ick. Now that doesn't look right, does it? It doesn't, because I need it to be a digraph. We quite often have a digraph. So if we have a short vowel sound in the middle, we end with a digraph. If we had a digraph in the middle, we would end with a kicking k. But we'll do a bit more about that as we go through our digraphs that go in the middle of a word. But short vowel sound, so we need a digraph k at the end. Because I do lots of reading, I can spot that, boys and girls. Can a chip be thick? I'm asking a question, so I can put a question mark in. Can a chip be thick? Let's read it and put our sound buttons in. And can a chip be thick? Can a chip be thick? I'm happy with that. Take a picture. Are you ready? Right, can you write me, can a chip be thick? Off you go. Well done, boys and girls. Welcome back. Super writing today and great practicing that. Don't forget, when you're saying those words with a at the beginning, you're allowed to stick your tongue out at mums and dads. I've said so. Okay, so get practicing that sound, especially in your reading. Well done, you've worked really hard today, and I will see you tomorrow for some more phonics. Bye.